The alchemist Paulo Coelho, a shepherd's quest for treasure turns into a mystical journey of self discovery and destiny. You will not believe what we are about to reveal right now. This is one of the most searched and most misunderstood topics out there, and we are breaking it down step by step so you never have to worry about it again. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho is a transformative novel that follows Santiago, a young Andalusian shepherd, on an adventurous quest to discover a worldly treasure located in the Egyptian pyramids. What begins as a pursuit of material wealth evolves into a profound journey of spiritual enlightenment and personal growth. The core premise of the book centers on the pursuit of one's personal legend, which represents an individual's destiny and purpose in life. Santiago's journey is driven by recurring dreams and an encounter with a mysterious king who inspires him to follow his heart and pursue his dreams. As Santiago travels through the desert, he encounters various characters, each imparting wisdom and guiding him toward understanding the true essence of his quest. One transformative insight from the book is the importance of listening to one's heart. Santiago learns that his heart is a source of true wisdom that speaks the language of the soul. By attuning to his heart, he discovers the significance of embracing the journey itself rather than focusing solely on the outcome. Another key insight is the concept of the universal language, which suggests that all beings are interconnected and that everything in the universe conspires to help one achieve their personal legend. This idea encourages readers to recognize the signs and omens that guide them along their path, fostering a sense of trust in the journey. The novel also explores the theme of transformation. Santiago's journey illustrates that true treasure lies not in material riches but in the personal growth and wisdom gained through experiences. By the end of his quest, he realizes that his wealth was within him all along, encapsulating the notion that fulfillment comes from within. One of the most memorable moments in the book is Santiago's encounter with the alchemist. Through philosophical conversations, the alchemist teaches Santiago about the principles of alchemy, which serve as metaphors for personal transformation and the realization of one's potential. This encounter solidifies Santiago's understanding of his purpose and strengthens his resolve to pursue his dreams. Paulo Coelho, the author, is a Brazilian novelist known for his philosophical and spiritual themes. With a background in theater and music, Coelho's writing is infused with lyrical prose and profound insights. The Alchemist, his most famous work, has touched millions of readers worldwide with its universal message of pursuing one's dreams. The Alchemist remains relevant today due to its timeless themes of self discovery, perseverance, and the pursuit of personal fulfillment. In an age where many seek meaning and purpose, the novel encourages readers to listen to their hearts and chase their dreams, regardless of the obstacles they may face. An actionable takeaway from The Alchemist is to reflect on your own personal legend. Identify your passions and dreams, and take steps toward pursuing them. Embrace the journey of transformation, trusting that each experience brings you closer to realizing your true potential. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.